when I was working in New York, I came back to India. I started my trusts and all for HIV infected children only. I made my first cinema. All my cinemas have won state awards and international awards also. Always I choose a subject which are related to the society and socially conscious cinemas. But ye cinema, basically I'm a very patriotic person. So that is how it is interconnected. What Chanakya says that to become a leader you should have a philosophy inside you. So वैसे my philosophy, and when I look at my next generation people, and when I run a charitable trust and looking at prison inmates and remand home kids and other people and the society, I felt that people should have social responsibility, one thing in the next generation, and also they should have patriotism, and everything goes hand in hand spirituality mein. That is how when I came and when I met Netaji ka great granddaughter ma'am and INA ka veteran people, and when I heard about Neera Arya ji ka story through public mein, I started researching on that content, and it took literally 3 years for me क्योंकि all these characters including Chajju Ram ji का एक book में नहीं मिलता है, एक media में नहीं मिलता है. So we had to do all those things, and also in many places they say Neera Arya को काला पानी में they had put. No, it's not there. I went to Kala Pani and I searched किस किस का नाम है INA का. So we had to search the real place where and all they had put INA people. So इसके पीछे बहुत सारे काम था, but I started crying while writing the script only, and every dialogue where Netaji says that तुम काली का स्वरूप हो, तुम्हारे अंदर ब्रह्मांड की शक्ति है, वो सभी while writing only I felt that how much Netaji used to motivate everyone, because आप लोग जानते हैं उस समय में, as I said, there was no WhatsApp and mic and programs ऐसे करके हाँ चलो चलो हम लोग लड़ेंगे देश के लिए. But I don't know how Netaji formed army in 7 countries. He went and he called all youngsters left their वो शादी के right time पे they left everyone and they came to the army and they fought for the country. ऐसे हिम्मत only नेताजी में थे. So that force only might have forced me to do this cinema.
Yes, a lot of actors have previously essayed the role of ghost. So how did you approach this role?
Mike.
This is the last part.
How did you prepare for this role, and did you have to work on your character? A lot of other actors have played this role.
Yes, I think more than being compared with other actors, it is the responsibility of playing a towering personality like Netaji on screen, which was paramount in my head at that point in time. And I think when you have a director like Rupaji, who is so passionate about the subject, who is so passionate about those characters, it makes your job relatively easier, because you completely surrender yourself to a director like that, and you just follow her directions. Ki this is how I want you to portray. This is like when she said कि तुम काली का स्वरूप हो, पूरे ब्रह्मांड की शक्ति है. The way she would motivate us at that point, ये नेताजी, आप नेताजी है और आप उनको मोटिवेट कर रहे हो, तो आप कैसे कहोगे ये सीक्वेंस ऐसा है, रानी झांसी रेजिमेंट की स्थापना हो गई, आप कैसे करोगे. सो आई थिंक ऑब्वियसली उनके जो मैनरिज्म्स है, उनका जो बोलने का तरीका है, वो हम मैच करने की कोशिश करते हैं. वी ट्राई टू रीच एज क्लोज टू दैट पर्सनैलिटी एज पॉसिबल. हो सकता है हमसे कुछ गलतियाँ वहाँ पे हो, बट एटलीस्ट द इंटेंशन इज़ राइट कि हम कोशिश करें. एंड जब वो स्पिरिट सही हो तो मुझे लगता है वो काम लोगों तक पहुँचने में ज़्यादा आसान होता है, कि इंस्टेड ऑफ ट्राइंग टू जस्ट मैच कि अच्छा ऐसे होंगे, उससे बेटर मुझे ये लग रहा था कि आई हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट आई गेट द स्पिरिट राइट ऑफ नेताजी. कि उन्होंने कैसे, जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि 7 कंट्रीज़ में अगर आर्मी फॉर्म करनी है, लोगों को साथ में लाना है, इकट्ठा करना है, फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल में उनका सहयोग चाहिए, लोग शादियां छोड़ के, घर छोड़ के, बच्चों को छोड़ के अगर उनको ज्वाइन हो रहे, तो उनमें ऐसी क्या ताकत होगी, उनके स्पीचेस में, उनके बोलने में क्या ताकत रही होगी कि जिसको सुन के लोग वहाँ चले आते थे. तो आई थॉट आई हैव टू गेट दैट स्पिरिट ऑफ दैट कैरेक्टर राइट. इफ आई डू दैट, देन प्रॉब्ली फॉर मी आई विल फील दैट आई हैव डन समथिंग यूजफुल in the film. And yes, Baki, of course, with your makeup, with your costumes, with your other things and accessories, you try to look like him as much as possible. But I think if you don't get the spirit right, then everything goes for a toss.
Rupam, a lot of people believe that Bose is still alive.
What are your views on?
I'm extremely happy he'll be there forever in different Sambhavami Yuge Yuge mein, how Krishna says, like that Bose will be there and all of us and baad mein bhi rahenge. But that you're talking about Gumnami Baba ji ka na? Maybe like, I don't know, that somebody has to do the research. But I feel very happy, unka energy is there in all of us. So that is what is moving us to do everything with lot of struggle and problems. Whatever came in front with me, even with the cinema, so many people they had put a case, so many people they came and inquired and they did all these things. But still we did not stop. ऐसे जाके now we finished and it is releasing. See, everything came on place. We are releasing in January only. I never planned anything. His energy is pushing. So I'm thankful to Netaji.
My question to अमृता मैम आपको जब गाना ऑफर ये एंथम ऑफर हुआ था तो आपने किस तरह से उस पर रिएक्ट किया? क्या आप को थोड़ा वक्त लगा इसके लिए या फिर किस तरह से प्रिपरेशन हुआ, अगर उस बारे में बता सके आप?
After it was offered to me, मैं मैम से personally मिली and I have a protocol. I have to get it approved for the finances which are coming in or direction, production में कौन है. I have to clear the names through the protocol. But I was quite sure that I had to sing. That's why I went to the protocol because we know Netaji. He lit the sky of the fire of independence struggle. तो वो तो करना ही था हमारे नेताजी के लिए, जो आज भी जैसे मैम ने बोला एक एनर्जी बन के अपना ही एक अंश है. So that motivated me to go ahead with madam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good evening, Rupa ji. My name is Monty. I'm from ITV, New York. I guess we have something in common. You were also in New York, and first of all, I want to congratulate you,
Thank you, Ji.
on this wonderful, wonderful project. You know, when you talk
So
about
nice of you.
when you talk about patriotic cinema, it's one of the most challenging genres ever in filmmaking because it's a hit or a miss. And kudos to you for taking such a brave step. There must have been something really great about Neera Arya, which has probably inspired you to direct, produce, write this phenomenal project. My question is to all four of you. I just wanted to hear from all four of you. You were talking about a message that the youth will get. This is entertainment with purpose, this project.
Yes.
So starting from Suresh sir, when you watch this movie, what message do you get and what message do you feel? And same thing with Amrita ma'am and you as well as Shreya sir. So what message do you give to the audience?
One falls in love with his country once you watch this film, and then it empowers us, especially the children today. If they come to know that this is my country, then they'll be proud of the country. They should know the stories and incidents. तो सुनकर उनको शक्ति मिलेगी, हाँ मेरा भारत है, आई एम प्राउड ऑफ दिस कंट्री. मेरे देश की कहानी है. जब एक फायर एक लेडी ऐसे कर सकती है, मैं क्यों नहीं? दैट काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग शुड बी देयर. नहीं तो लोग तो सारा दिन टीवी पे और न्यूज़पेपर में क्या दिखाते हैं? बेकार की कंट्री है, गरीब लोग हैं, भूखे मरते हैं. सो देयर माइंड्स आर ऑलरेडी पोल्यूटेड, करप्टेड बाय ऑल दिस नॉनसेंस. तो ऐसी चीज़ें उनको, इसीलिए मैं कह रहा था कि ये फिल्म ऐसी एंटरटेनमेंट टैक्सेस मना करके ऐसी फिल्में स्टूडेंट्स को और कॉलेज को दिखाना चाहिए. बिकॉज दिस इज फॉर द फ्यूचर जनरेशन. जो चले गए बड़े तो चले गए, लेकिन जो आने वाले उनको तो मालूम होना चाहिए ना.
मैं इतना ही अपनी यंग जनरेशन को, जेन जी, जेन एक्स सबको बोलना चाहूँगी कि जो फ्रीडम मिला है हमको, that's not a gift. It has been a result of the toil, the bloodshed and sacrifice of these people who have laid down their lives for our nation. तो वो जज्बा आप में रखिए and always keep nation first before anything, so that we remain independent.
As Honorable Ma'am rightly said, that is what we require. And initially when I started my speech, I told na how these days का children they give reasons and excuses for everything. सब कुछ है फिर भी वो लोग बोलते हैं मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है, भगवान ने कुछ भी नहीं दिया. So I want them to, because I've been closely working with all these kind of special children. So मेरे अंदर भी ये था patriotism, but still you know this is like a sugar coated pills. So cinema medium is a powerful medium. As I said, instead of reading 20 books and researching everything that they won't do if you tell them to do. तो हमारा फिल्म में 7 गानास है and all this कदम कदम बढ़ाए जाए, even old गाना भी है, नया गाना भी है. So they will relate to it emotionally, and also there are so many content which they can carry when they're going back from the theater. So that is what my youngsters should go through this, and I want them to lead an independent life, as I said in the beginning itself. छोटे छोटे के लिए and they get into video game में चले जाते हैं, they commit suicide, they become vulnerable. वो सभी ऐसे strong व्यक्तित्व होना चाहिए उन लोगों में that मुझे कुछ भी आ जाए मैं जिंदगी में I'll lead my independent life. नीरा आर्या का वही तो example है, वो road side बैठ के फूल बेच के she survived and she finished her complete life 94 years 96 years तक. So ये she did not say वो मुझे मर जाना चाहिए, क्यों है जिंदगी, ऐसा negative things they should not talk. तो इसलिए ये सिनेमा पूरा देखकर one is motivated by नेताजी, one is by चज्जूराम जी, one is by नीरा आर्या, one is by the patriotism, ये सभी it's a package, everything. So that is the reason I have done. I'm thankful to our High Court advocate is here, Pradeep Jain ji and Nalini ji. आपका team को धन्यवाद. And no, in between I'm writing. Thank you ji. So
Hello Suresh ji, one question for you.
नहीं, sir has to finish.
What was your reaction when Rupa ji approached you for this role?
Is this for me?
Yes sir.
Acha, I thought yes. What did you say?
What was your reaction when Rupa ji approached you for this role?
I've answered that, beta. Just now I've told the first question. I said my father was a freedom fighter and he was thrown in jail in Pakistan, Quetta, Balochistan. So the deeds he did was very close to my father's deeds. Giving away lands, properties, helping schools, colleges, gaushalas. How much he was the first person to be against the Congress government in Hyderabad.
Okay, Suresh ji, one question for you. How do you feel when you play a portrait role of this Netaji? How challenging it was?
I think I feel blessed. I feel blessed that in this lifetime I got an opportunity to portray personality, a towering personality like Netaji on screen. You know, and I genuinely want to keep thanking Rupa ji again and again for this, because I don't know who else probably would have thought of making me play Netaji on screen. So when you play, obviously you get to know about that person, you study about that person, and to continue with the last question जो था कि next generation को, I feel like Amruta ma'am very rightly said that all of us and the next generation, they need to know that ये जो freedom हमें मिला है ये ऐसे ही नहीं मिला. Okay, कभी कभी तो भूल जाते हैं लोग बहुत सारी बार. But the generation and us, we need to keep reminding ourselves again and again that there were people like Netaji जिनके वजह से आज हम ये दिन देख पा रहे हैं. And secondly, I think when you see the film, you realize that you need one to inspire and motivate you. Are you that person?
Wow, kya baat, very well said.
Can you be that person?
Wow,
Hello.
thank you.
रूपा जी, my question to you.
Yes, one last question.
Yeah. सबसे पहले आपको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, बड़ा अच्छा ट्रेलर बनाया.
Thank you so much.
बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड जैसा आपने कहा कि 7 गाने हैं इस फिल्म में, 2 तो हमने ट्रेलर में सुने, एक मैडम ने बड़ा अच्छा गाना गाया. वो इनमें से कोई दूसरा गाना भी गा रही है मैडम?
एक ही गाना.
एक ही next film I want her to act also.
बाकी भी
I requested ma'am.
एंड रिकॉर्डिंग आपने कितने दिनों में कंप्लीट की थी अमृता जी?
मैम का एक ही दिन. She is a professional singer, no? तो एक ही दिन में किया था. Yeah, she just learned and we had given the track and.
I want to know how much hard work you paid for this song.
So I had heard the scratch of that song And then she called me to Yashraj, right? I went to Yashraj और हमने within an hour वो record कर लिया था song. देखिए उसकी tune we all know. The tune is जन गण मन. Tune याद करना तो था ही नहीं, सिर्फ words थोड़ा ध्यान में लाने थे, which was easy for me.
रूपा मैम,
Right,
मेरा
और,
क्वेश्चन है,
one last-
अमृता मैम जहाँ पर भी होती हैं वो चीज़ हमेशा से छा जाता है, तो क्या लग रहा है ये गाना कितना लोगों तक पहुँचेगा, कितना दिलों को छुएगा?
See, we are not behind all those things, ma'am. Passionately, she has given her heart and soul for the cinema, and especially this kind of patriotic cinema. It is always related with heart and soul. तो कितने लोगों को पहुंचेगा, वो क्या होगा commercially? We are not at all worried about all these people here. Whoever is sitting, passionately we have made this project. Thank you.
Yeah, hi ma'am. आप जितनों को पहुंचाएंगे उतना पहुंचेगा.
Correct,
And
ma'am.
you should do it for Netaji
Yes.
and for her spirit.
Yes, and it's already on Z Music's channel.
Oh,
Ma'am.
ma'am has to.
Okay,
Then
right.
we can continue.
Thank you so
Right.
much.
Please, a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Honorable Amrita Fadnavis. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time.
How you find this movie where movies have agenda and movies are driven with agenda, with a motive. So in this today's scenario, how this movie you see, how it will go like?
As I told her, ma'am ko, the same way, we have made the film with passion and love and whatever we have towards Netaji, INA and Women Army and towards Neera Arya, wo sabhi. So I'm not behind any, see formally we are releasing to Z Studios and Z Music and everything. Z is supporting us because they are also fan of Netaji. It's not commercially we are looking at these things, but my motto is to reach out my next generation and youngsters to learn something from this so that they will lead a better life, strong life. That's all. It's not commercially Rupa Iyer has to become a rich person or he has to become a rich person. He has to. It's not the motto. That is the reason I did a research. Even every dialogue, what we say here and everything. So it motivates my next generation.
So how you see it will, can I ask the same question to you also? How do you see in today's scenario, how it will connect with the youth? Like, with movies today are very motive driven and
See, I think at
Gender-driven.
the end of the day, it is the story that connects with people. If you find the story relatable, if you find the characters relatable, then every story connects. If you don't, then the story doesn't connect. It is as simple as that. And like Rupaji very rightly mentioned, that we've done it with a certain intention that she wanted to reach out to the younger generation so that they get to know what that story is about Netaji, about Neera Arya, about Indian National Army, about Rani Jhansi Regiment and all those things. So as long as we are successful in that intention of ours to reach out to those people, if we're able to do that, I think we probably have achieved what we set out for. So we've done it to the best of our ability. Now it is up to the audience to eventually see it and decide for them.
Only the audience. It is their responsibility also.
Sure.
we will
Now,
do our best.
The ball is in your court.
Yeah.
हम लोगों ने हमारा बेस्ट किया, अब मीडिया को करना चाहिए ना, देश के लिए.
Rightly said by
That's a
Surajji.
humble request, yeah. That is what. That is the reason I've made it in Hindi, because Netaji is larger than life. He doesn't have any limitation to one geographical area. He's bigger than all these things. So that is the reason I wanted to reach out. करके ही मैं South में करती थी till now. So that is the reason I came here and I did in Hindi. पूरा देश को, पूरा world को पहुंचाना है इसलिए.
Wow, thank you so much, guys, for your questions.
Yeah. I
Thank
could
you.
have listened, no, I called you.
Okay, one.